Jatend migawo mar omenda Mbadi oyango uso mar bath pok mare ne kambi mar Safaricom. Mbadi mane ni e nyim komiti od bura ma ochung' ne weche mag omenda okone od bura ema koro irito mondo tiek loso fuok mag chike mabiro tayo kaka itiyo kod omenda mabiro donjo e agulu mar dongruok mag gedo.
Sheas, is it a one-off payment? One-off.
This is money that once we conclude, we expect a fat check of 240.2 billion.
So the 40 billion, the 40 billion advance in dividends will be lumped together of 204.
Yes.
And paid one fat check.
One fat check which will come to our consolidated fund, and then I will seek the approval of this honorable house to appropriate it to the National Infrastructure Fund. Then once it hits that fund, a decision now will be made on this commercially viable project, how the money is spent, and this honorable house will receive the list of those projects.